Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and I have a review today of some acrylic brushes by Beetles. I have got a size 10 and a size 14. The 10 I've already taken out and broke it in, so to speak, so I'm going to show you how to do that today. This is how the Beetles brush comes in this nice little box. And I have the size, I don't know if you can see this, size 14. This is an acrylic brush, if I haven't already said that. As you can see, let me see, this is the one. I destroy a box. Anybody that sends me something in a box, I will destroy opening it. Not on purpose, I just have a hard time. And this has the glitter pieces in it. There are circles and squares and stars and half moons and let me see what else is in here. Circles, stars, octagons, little circles, all kinds of little goodies in here. All kinds of little goodies. So we take the plastic cap off, throw that away because you're never going to use that again. And as you see, the brush is kind of hard. It has got, if you want to call it, wax in it. Squeeze your brush. This is not crimped. So, if this was a crimped brush, it would have a dent like right here, and this would be fanned out more like a flat surface kind of brush. So I'm going to take it, roll it between my fingers, and I'm squeezing the bristles. Just trying to lightly release some of the powder. Flick it back and forth a little bit. I seen, oh my god, who was it? Christy Megan do one of these. Go through your brush. Christy Megan has a brush cleanser. I do not. So I will be using some isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to dip this in here to release the wax. Get the air bubbles out. And get your paper towel. Smash it in between. Release some more air bubbles. Smash, smash, smash. Trying to get all the wax out of your brush. That's what we're doing. Do not force this in here. Lift the top part up. Sorry, I'm a little snotty today. So, we're gonna see how we did here. And now I have some monomer. I'm going to take it my monomer and burp it. This is not odorless. This is me a secret, full-fledged odor. And this is to condition your brush. Swirl your brush on the paper towel, and you see it's back in the same shape as when I pulled it out. Now our brush is broken. Hang your brushes upside down. Do not mash this. I have this is to clean your brushes. I just stick them in there and hold it. This is our size 10. I'm going to put it back in the alcohol. I already did all this to this one last night, to size 10. Make sure you get all the wax out of your brush. Give it the monomer now to condition it. Make sure you get your air bubbles out. And that's how you break in your acrylic brush. You are ready now for acrylic, for your powder, your polymer. And there we go. Put it back in my brush holder. Put your lid back on your acrylic or your monomer. Get your cotton ball to sop that up. And we're done. That's how you break in your acrylic brush. That's just all there is to it. Comes in this little fine styrofoam pack. You don't need to save these. You could if you wanted. This one I'll save, but the one I destroyed, that one I'll throw away. But these are great Beetle brushes. I'm going to leave the link in the description box for them as well as the price. Because I cannot remember how much I paid for it. I'm sorry. I'm still not all the way awake today. Today is Thursday the 12th. No, wait a minute. The 5th of March. Thursday, December. Told you I'm not awake. Beetles brushes, they have got great products. I've got I don't know how many collections of polishes now, probably about 5. I just ordered the St. Patrick's Day collection and the spring collection. And then I got these brushes that I've been sitting on for a minute. Yes, this one I'll throw away. Don't need to keep that. This one I'll keep just because. So there's my video. If you have these brushes or you don't, you like them, you don't, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Don't forget to click the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos and click all. If you click the other two, you may not get notified. So I suggest you click the all button. That way you get notified of all videos that I put up. Normally it's 3 videos a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Lately, the past couple weeks since my puppy died, I've been slacking. I really have been, and I'm really sorry for my viewers. I greatly apologize. Thank you for staying with me. You have no idea how much I appreciate your support. And as always, thank you, love you, and have a blessed day.